Welcome to La Maison Wellness. Today we're going to be making what's probably going to be your favorite winter cocktail from now on. It's that time of the year when you might be tired, cold, maybe even have a cold, and this is the cocktail for you. It's made with loads of ingredients that really going to boost your energy and hopefully even help with your immune system. It's called the Shake Winter. So for this cocktail, I'm going to be using Lyres. Lyres is an Australian non-alcoholic spirits company that has a huge range of delicious non-alcoholic spirits. This one is the one inspired by spice rum. It's the Spice Cane Spirit. And it's really, really rich, has notes of vanilla, caramel. It's a beautiful alternative to rum. I'm going to be using some fresh ginger, some maple syrup, some fresh lemon juice, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and then as an option, On Guard, the essential oil from doTERRA. If you're not familiar with doTERRA or with essential oil, this is a beautiful blend that has rosemary, eucalyptus, orange, cloves, and cinnamon. It's a great one for the winter. If you never use essential oil, it's quite potent, so be careful and make sure that you follow the dosage, which will be just 1 drop. And then have a look at their website. If you have any concern or question, make sure that you check with your physician. Let's make the drink. I'm going to be using a raw glass for this cocktail, but I'm actually going to shake the cocktail. So I'm going to put all the ingredients in the shaker and then pour it over ice. I'm going to start with Lyres, the Spice Cane Spirit, and I will do 50 ml of that. And then I'm going to use 20 ml of fresh ginger juice. It's really important to use fresh ingredients, so you can juice it at home or you can always go to a juice bar and get fresh ginger. And then 10 ml of maple syrup. Maple syrup is a great alternative to refined sugar, and it adds a lot of complexity and flavor into the cocktail. I'm using 10 ml of maple syrup, but you can use 20, you can use 30, you can sweeten it to your taste. And then I'm gonna use 20 ml of fresh lemon juice that I'm gonna juice right here. A pinch, and be careful, it's quite spicy, so just a pinch of cayenne pepper. And again, if you love spicy stuff, you can add a bit more. It's pretty much up to you. And then 1 drop of the On Guard, the doTERRA essential oil. Make sure that you only do 1 drop because it's quite potent, but beautiful flavor. And then that's it. I'm just gonna add some ice. Give a quick shake. There you go. It smells incredible. I'm just gonna fill the glass with ice and then pour over ice. And that's it. I'm just gonna garnish it with fresh chili. Et voila, this is your Shake Winter. Let's have a taste. On the nose, it's beautiful. You really get all the notes from Lyres and the essential oil. And then, wow, it tastes delicious. I mean, it's packed with character for sure. You get the vanilla and the caramel and the spiciness from Lyres, from the Spice Cane Spirit, and then the beautiful bouquet from the On Guard, so like rosemary, orange, eucalyptus, that really comes through so nicely and add a little bit of spiciness. Then the ginger lifts the cocktail. The cayenne pepper obviously gives it a little bit of a kick. And the maple is a really nice sweetener, so it's a balanced cocktail. It's a great way to go through winter, to help with your immune system, and also to make a celebration out of the winter days. So this is the Shake Winter, and it's probably gonna be your new favorite winter cocktail. Santé, everyone.